Hi, it's Patty P. And today's session is about lung issues and suffering with congested lungs and coughing. This request was made by someone, a member of my Facebook group, Tapping EFT Support Group. So if you're catching this on YouTube, jump over to Facebook and join the group and request a video on any subject that you would like. So before I start, I want to give a little bit of a disclaimer. Please know I am not a medical professional and I cannot advise you about medical conditions. I'm here to explain and coach you through a self-help method to feel better. You can release old stuck emotions which create physical responses. So take responsibility for yourself, and if this or any method or physical situation that you're having is too overwhelming for you, please seek professional assistance either from a life coach, an EFT tapping coach, a medical doctor, or a mental health professional. Okay, so to get started, many times lung issues can be about stuck emotions, emotions of sadness, grief, despair, shame, sorrow. They can all lead to anxiety, mainly about sadness and grief. And if you're having lung issues, please think about those emotions and where you might be feeling them currently. Maybe something that happened to you recently or something you're going through right now has triggered something from many years ago, something that happened in your childhood. And so by tapping on those issues first and those emotions of sadness that you may be repressing or keeping inside of you will help you release the lung issues quicker. So tap on those things first and then come back to this video. If at any time you find that what I am saying and the statements that I'm making remind you of something, a past event or something that happened the other day or whatever it is, if it reminds you of something, pause this video and tap that out. Keep tapping, go over the events in your mind, feel your feelings, and tap that through before proceeding to finish with this video. Okay, please let me know if you have any questions. You can get me through YouTube with questions, or you can join that Facebook group and I will answer your questions on that venue. So here we go. We always take full responsibility for ourselves and we accept where we're at before we move on. Tapping on the karate chop point. Even though I'm having these emotions and frustration around my lung issues, and they're triggering this lung disorder, and it's really, really bothering me. Even though I'm suffering right now, I know that on some level, I'm okay. I love and accept who I am and where I'm at. Even though I've been coughing and having these lung issues for weeks, and it's been going on for way too long, and I just can't seem to get rid of it. The cough syrups don't help. In fact, they cause other problems. And I'm feeling worse. Even though I'm feeling worse, I know that I'm okay on some level, and I can deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I'm sick of suffering with this lung issue, I'm sick of it. It makes it hard to breathe. It tickles my throat. I cough. I can't sleep. It's so frustrating. I still can deeply and completely love, honor, and respect myself. eyebrow, this coughing side of the eye, this coughing and lung issue. It's making me crazy under the eye. This is it's so hard under the nose. This lung issue, chin, this coughing, collarbone, this coughing that's keeping me up at night, the coughing that wakes me up in the morning, top of the head, this itchy throat, all this phlegm. I can't seem to get it out. I hate this. The cough syrups aren't helping. They're causing other problems. They're upsetting my stomach. They're giving me diarrhea. I can't seem to get over this. I'm not sure what's causing it. It's so uncomfortable. I'm tired of feeling this way. I'm not getting the rest I need. This is impairing my life. It's keeping me awake. It's so frustrating. My chest hurts. My chest hurts when I cough. My chest hurts. It feels tight. I feel like I can't breathe. I forgive myself for feeling angry. I forgive myself for having these emotions. I forgive myself for anything that I'm choosing not to deal with, for any stuck emotions. Emotions of sadness, of grief, any sorrow, despair, and regret. Letting go of these emotions. Letting go of these emotions and events from the past. Anything I'm choosing not to deal with right now. Any sadness or grief that I have not expressed. I'm choosing to feel that now. I'm choosing to release it. I forgive myself for keeping all of that in. And I forgive myself for not knowing that it was there. But I'm letting go now. Releasing. Releasing. Letting it go. All those events from the past where I felt sad and out of control and I was grieving. All that sorrow and pain. Letting it go. My body knows how to heal itself. I trust that it can kill any bacteria in my lungs. My body knows what to do. All on its own, it can take care of any bacteria in my lungs that is contributing to this problem. I am eliminating all those germs and anything else that does not serve me. Letting it go, putting it out like the trash. Just like putting out the rubbish, letting it go. I don't need it anymore. I don't need it to hold me back. It does not serve me. Releasing and letting it go. All this emotional trash. I am liberating any stuck emotions. Letting them go. Through every cell, every empty space in my body. Releasing. Releasing all those particles that I don't even know about. All the things I don't know are there. I'm letting those go too. Anything that I have stuffed inside and not dealt with. I don't even need to bring it out and deal with it. I just need to let it go. So I'm letting it go now. I choose ease and grace. I don't have to know the details. I don't have to relive every event that caused me sadness or grief or despair or pain of any kind. I don't have to know what those are. I don't have to relive it. But I do have to choose to release it. Anything that's stuck in there, I'm going in with a scrub brush and I'm scraping it away, brushing it away, and letting it go, just taking it out with the trash. It is safe for me to do that. It's safe for me to release all of it. I choose to only keep that which helps me. Setting all that stuff free, letting it all go. Feeling lighter now. I'm able to breathe a little better. I'm releasing my need to hold on to anything that doesn't feel good. Tapping it all away. Imagining that my lungs are clear and all the bronchial tubes, they're all free and clear like a clean pipe. Everything has been released. Letting it all go. I can sleep good now. I wake up feeling refreshed and energetic. My lungs support the breath of life. They support the air that brings oxygen and life into my body. I love my lungs. I love my body because my body knows how to fix itself. Feeling better, feeling strong now, feeling confident. So I hope that you are feeling better. It can be very difficult to create a session for someone that you don't know and you don't know their specific issues or what might be coming up for them during the tapping session. So please do let me know if you have any questions. If I didn't touch on your specific issue, just keep tapping. Keep tapping and throw your issues in there. Put your words in. You can speak over the top of me. So put in the words that work for you. But please remember, the words are not as important as your feelings. Feel those feelings. Get in touch with that sadness or that grief that you might be holding in. That's how tapping works. It works with your feelings and not so much the words. So Many blessings to you. Please let me know if this helped you or didn't help you. I would love to create something that specifically works for you. So until next time, namaste and keep tapping.